ground. If you are threatened by flooding or are directed by emergency officials, do not drive in areas where the water covers the roadway. The road may be washed away beneath the water surface, and it only takes a few inches of flowing water to carry away your vehicle. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. This is a life-threatening situation. Be especially alert for sudden and rapid rises of small creeks and streams, and be ready to move to higher ground. If you observe flooding or are directed to evacuate by emergency officials, never try to walk or drive across a flooded road. If your vehicle becomes stranded, abandon it immediately and move to higher ground. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for Rensselaer County and East Central New York. This includes the cities of Troy, Rensselaer, Nassau, Hoosick Falls, East Greenbush, Saratoga County and East Central New York. This includes the cities of Saratoga Springs, Mechanicville, Clifton Park. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flood warning for Addison County and Central Vermont, Orange County and Central Vermont, Washington County and Central Vermont, Clinton County and Northern New York, Essex County and Northern New York, Chittenden County and Northwest Vermont, Grand Isle County and Northwest Vermont, Rutland County and Southern Vermont, Windsor County and Southern Vermont until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, widespread flooding of streams and rivers was reported across the area. Rural streams and rivers will flood low-lying areas. Highways and local roads may flood, as well as homes and businesses in flood-prone areas. If you encounter flooding, seek higher ground immediately. When you can do so safely, please report any flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting the storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Stay away from flood waters. Move to higher ground. If you are threatened by flooding or are directed by emergency officials, do not drive in areas where the water covers the roadway. The road may be washed away beneath the water surface, and it only takes a few inches of flowing water to carry away your vehicle. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. The National Weather Service in Albany